Brad Biznett here from Cole Publishing, and I've got John from EPL Solutions. John, talk to me about the Miniflex. What do we have going on here?
Oh, gladly, Brad. So this is the camera I found at the WWETT Show a couple of years ago from the manufacturer.
Okay.
And we took it on as a product, and I've been nothing but impressed with this camera reel.
Okay.
I've been doing this since I was 18 years old. This has just blown my socks away. I wish I came up with this idea. I am so thrilled to be able to sell it and represent it. We are now the U.S. representative for Camtronics in the United States.
Okay, you said U.S. representative, so where are they making the camera?
It's made in the Netherlands.
Okay, all right, awesome.
So a little bit about the reel is they call it the Miniflex. It has an SD card for recording. You have date, time, and footage counter.
Okay.
Also has light control, and it has a sonde. So I can locate the sonde. But the sonde is built into this camera head and has a maximum depth of 10 foot deep in this little itty bitty camera head.
All right.
The other impressive thing, while it's a true 2-inch camera, I have a lot of my customers buy this and they use it in 3 and 4 for video pipe inspections. I don't sell it for that, but it's an amazing camera for 3 and 4 inch pipe. And it's got a really cool thing too they did is they came up with these really interesting skids.
All right.
And what they did different with the skid is when it goes on, they have an O-ring that keeps it together. Just snap it on. So now you have a centering guide.
Okay, all right.
And the design is if you're going down and you do get stuck, the skid will just pop right off.
Got it.
And you won't get the camera stuck. Just the skid comes right off the camera.
Okay.
The other intensity on the lights I'm going to show you here. So when you turn it on, there's no lights. I'll turn the lights up.
Oh,
and they're
smokes,
blinding.
yeah, look at that.
Those things are blinding. Illuminates a 4-inch piece of pipe just wonderful. Exceeded my expectations.
Yeah, I bet.
Wasn't expecting it. Now, the really, really cool thing with this is how well does it actually push? Because we advertise, goes through P-traps, makes a lot of turns, and goes through a toilet.
Okay.
And I can tell you, it goes through 90% of the toilets we ever come across. Most guys going through a toilet, if it goes through, will get about 10, 15 feet. But I have customers that are coming in saying they've gone 50 feet thereabouts.
Oh, wow.
Through a toilet. I don't say you're going to get that, but
yeah, I understand.
you can.
Yeah.
It's cool that someone has actually achieved that.
Sure.
But what I want you to do is go through the experience of what customers do.
Okay.
I have a 1-inch PVC pipe, and I've got a 1-inch 90, and there's another 1-inch 90 here.
Okay.
Now, in this configuration, there's a total of 17 feet. So let me just zero myself out. Go for it.
All right, let's see. I mean, like you said, there's nothing but 90-degree turns here. I mean, that went through
like butter.
no problem. I mean,
like
I thought I was going to have to push it
and
through
how much
a little
experience do you have doing this?
bit. 0?
Yeah.
That turn that I just went through is the experience that I have? I think I just went through another one there.
You did. It's a little slippery on the cloth there.
Yeah. I mean, that is, so that would be 1, 2, this would be the fourth turn,
Yeah,
maybe?
4th, and now you're making
5.
a Y.
Yeah.
So you've just made this Y here, an 1/8 bend, so it's basically an upright Y.
Okay.
And you're going to make another 90, and it's 2-inch.
I mean, that is as easy as it could possibly be.
And you're in about 10 feet now. Keep going.
Oh, yeah, I see the counter right here on the screen. All right.
Yep. Now you're in the last tube, and you're going to go into the 4-inch. Now you're out of the pipe.
I mean, John, that's as easy as it could possibly be. Where could somebody get more information on the product?
EPLS-USA.com or 714-453-9760.
Awesome. Thank you for the information, and thank you for letting me give it a try.
Oh, absolutely. Thank you, Brad.